In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning text effects and typography designs using Canva, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're designing a flyer, social media post, or an eye-catching poster, these techniques will add a professional and dynamic touch to your project. Let's get started by opening Canva. If you haven't done so already, make your way to Canva's website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll need to decide whether to work on an existing project or start something completely new. If you choose the latter, you can select from a variety of preset sizes for social media, prints, or custom dimensions to fit your needs. Now that you have your project ready to go, the next thing you want to do is focus on the text. Look for the text button, typically found on the left-hand side of your screen. Once clicked, you'll see several options including adding a heading, subheading, or body text. Choose whichever is appropriate for your design. With your text box in place, go ahead and type out the text you want to feature in your design. Once you're satisfied with the text content, the fun part begins. Highlight your text to see a variety of editing options at the top of the screen. From here, look for and select the Effects button. This is where magic happens. Canva allows a plethora of text effects to be applied. You'll find options like shadow, lift, hollow, splice, and so much more. These effects add depth and character to your text. Once you've applied an effect that you like, don't forget you can tweak its settings to your preference. Play around with the intensity, offset, and direction, ensuring your typography stands out just the way you envisioned. A great tip is to experiment with multiple text layers and effects to discover combinations that are visually compelling. Don't be afraid to adjust colors and contrast to create a more harmonious design. The more you explore, the more your creativity will flourish. Take some time to review your design and make any final changes to ensure that everything looks just right. With these tools at your fingertips, you'll be able to elevate any design, making it not only more visually appealing, but also more aligned with your intended message and style. And there you have it. Your text and typography are now uniquely enhanced with Canva. This powerful yet intuitive tool makes it easy for anyone, beginner or advanced, to create professional-grade designs. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips help you in your next project. Don't forget to explore other features Canva offers to further enhance your design skills.